Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power and access. Make sure the TA1557 has at least 30% battery and a SIM inserted so network radios can initialize. Once done, open Settings and go straight to About to note Software and Baseband. This helps if menus differ. Now navigate to Connectivity or Network Settings. You're looking for Flight Mode toggle. You begin the process immediately because software variants change option names, and noting version explains. You now work through the radios. From connectivity, find flight mode and switch it off. This re-enables cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. If you don't see the toggle, enter the detailed network or SIM settings where the airplane option is nested. Software skins hide it. Make sure to use the power/menu key for quick toggles if the UI is sluggish. You should wait a few seconds after switching off so the phone re-registers to the network. That confirms radios came back online. You finish by confirming signal bars and making a test call or sending an SMS. This proves flight mode is off and services are active. If icons don't return within half a minute, restart the TA1557 to force the modem to reboot. If problems persist, try a different SIM to rule out carrier lock or SIM failure, and only then reset network settings. This preserves apps but clears radios. A quick troubleshooting tip: a restart almost always resolves a stubborn flight mode state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.